Hello everyone. Welcome to another art tutorial with Udocreatives. Today we will be doing a simple Halloween nail art tutorial. We will be looking at how to draw spider webs. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses basic materials which I will add in the description below. First thing you want to do is apply black gel polish coat as your base, using your standard brush. Next, I will add pink chrome powder onto my base using my applicator brush. Next, to draw the web pattern, I will use my pointed brush to apply black gel nail polish. Remember that you can always go online to find other patterns for your nail art. I am just using this pattern as an example. Notice how the pointed brush gives a good amount of precision. And there you have it. An easy spiderweb nail pattern. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with more designs and patterns. Please like this video and subscribe to Udocreatives for more art content.